Elusive Planet 9, or Planet 10 Nibiru, could be surrounded by hot moons, and that's how we would find it. This is what the scientists, the astronomers, are telling us now. The mysterious Planet 9 may have up to 20 moons that could be superheated by the hypothetical planet's gravitational pull, making them easy to spot. The elusive Planet 9, which may or may not lurk in the outer reaches of our solar system, could be surrounded by a small swarm of potential moons, a new study reveals, and what's more, these moons could be the key to finding the missing planet. Planet 9, if it exists, lurks beyond the orbit of Neptune in an icy region known as the Kuiper Belt. Scientists first proposed the existence of Planet 9 in 2016 in the Astronomical Journal. They used the hypothetical planet as a possible explanation for the unusual orbits of several extreme trans-Neptunian objects, ETNOs, asteroids, comets, moons, or dwarf planets that are beyond 30 astronomical units from the Sun. 1 astronomical unit is the distance between the Sun and the Earth, and that's about 93 million miles. Researchers think the trajectory of these ETNOs can be best explained by gravitational force of an undiscovered mass. Based on these orbits, Planet 9 is likely between 5 and 10 times larger than our Earth and orbits the Sun from around 250 times farther away than our planet does. There have been suggestions that the elusive object could be a mini black hole. So far, scientists searching in the area have not found any light signatures from Planet 9, but that's not surprising. The planet is just too far away to be properly illuminated by the Sun, so the only way to spot it would be if it eclipsed a distant light source, such as a galaxy or star within the Milky Way. In a new paper submitted to the Astrophysical Journal and uploaded to the preprint database ARXIV, a researcher has proposed that the key to finding Planet 9 could be its satellite bodies. Man Ho Chan, an astronomer at the Education University of Hong Kong, used estimations of the size and gravity of Planet 9, combined with a number of potential ETNOs close enough to be pulled into a permanent orbit around the dark planet, to estimate Planet 9's potential moons. Chan found that up to 20 satellites could orbit the proposed planet, each of which could measure up to around 62 miles across. But how does this help scientists find it? After all, the tiny moons would be even harder to spot than the planet itself. The answer is weird gravitational effect known as tidal heating, which is when the gravitational energy exerted by one body dissipates this heat in either or both the surface ocean or interior of the planet or satellite. This phenomenon occurs on Jupiter's moon Io, the most volcanically active object in the solar system. Io's extremely molten core forms thanks to intense tidal heating that is fueled by a gravitational tug-of-war between itself, Jupiter, and other Jovian moons, according to NASA. Tidal heating could rise the temperature of any Planet 9 satellite to around minus 280 degrees Fahrenheit, that's minus 173 degrees Celsius. This may not sound very warm, but the average temperature of empty space is minus 455 degrees Fahrenheit, or that's minus 271 Celsius, according to live science sister site space.com. If any of the Planet 9 satellites do get this hot, then they're likely to give off a faint radio signal that could be detected by telescopes that have been fine-tuned to search for them, Chan wrote. This provides a new indirect way for examining the Planet 9 hypothesis and revealing the basic properties of Planet 9, he said. This is by Harry Baker on Live Science. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box.